REDSASA cat litter box automatic cleaning is equipped with 10 safety sensing radars that intelligently detect the presence of your cat. Once the radar detects a cat is approaching the automatic litter box self-cleaning, the auto litter box system immediately stops the rotation of the drum to ensure the cat's absolute safety. This advanced technology effectively prevents any harm to your cat during use, giving pet owners peace of mind. REDSASA auto litter box self-cleaning can be easily connected to the dedicated app for remote control and monitoring. Please refer to our connection diagram steps. The self-cleaning cat box app can track the frequency and duration of cat use and provide detailed data reports to help you evaluate your cat's health. In addition, you can immediately control the auto-cleaning litter box cleaning and deodorization through the app. REDSASA smart litter box self-cleaning comes with a specially designed staircase for cats, making it perfect for elderly cats, kittens, sick cats, and short-legged cats. This cat staircase allows them to easily enter and exit the smart cat litter box while effectively collecting any scattered litter, reducing waste and maintaining household cleanliness. Note: before use the smart litter box, please ensure that the staircase is pulled out by about 1/2 to ensure optimal functionality. This design consideration ensures that every family member can comfortably use the self-cleaning cat litter box. REDSASA electric litter box features a semi-enclosed design that offers odor control 5 times better than traditional litter boxes. This design effectively isolates the litter to reduce odor spread while maintaining an open feel. The electric cat litter box self-cleaning drum interior is equipped with an advanced odor elimination and fragrance system that breaks down odor molecules inside the electric cat litter box, keeping the air fresh. Additionally, our ventilation system actively expels odor molecules with a built-in fan. This innovative design not only enhances odor control but also provides a more comfortable and fresh environment for your home. Automatic travel cat litter box features a generous 100L drum capacity, suitable for cats weighing between 2 and 35 pounds. Additionally, the waste bin can accommodate up to 14 days of use for a single cat, making it ideal for pet owners who frequently travel or are away for extended periods. This design not only eliminates the need for frequent cleaning associated with traditional cat care but also caters to the needs of multiple cats, providing a consistently clean and comfortable environment for your feline friends.